The Jebel mountain range forms the highest peak in Ras Al Khaimah, soaring at an impressive 1,934 meters above sea level. The mountain has an exciting Jebel Jais, the highest mountain peak in the region. Jebel Jais, the highest mountain in the United Arab Emirates, is part of the spectacular, cloud-piercing Al Hajar mountain range. The range extends from Ras Al Khaimah on the eastern side of the United Arab Emirates to the Muzandam Peninsula in northern Oman. It is 100 kilometers in width and 700 kilometers in length, straddles the two countries, and is the highest mountain range in the region. The Jebel Jais mountain range forms the highest peak in Ras Al Khaimah, soaring at an impressive 1,934 meters above sea level. The mountain has an exciting topology and contains rare fossils and marine and terrestrial sedimentary rocks, which give a fascinating insight into ancient times. Scientists believe that the Al Hajar mountains were formed by a continental collision near the Arabian-Eurasian convergent plate boundary more than 70 million years ago. The name Al Hajar translates into Al, which means the, and Hajar, which means a stone. When the words are combined, the name translates into the stone. KB Abilika bounce up. Fitness trampoline Uden ad bedeling 2020. Click into OG Simulageddon her OGNU. By injectable steroids gym and fitness site title. Ras Al Khaimah's Jebel Jais, at 1,934 meters tall, usually records temperatures that are 10 degrees Celsius cooler on average than other popular landmarks across the country. During summer months, temperatures at all the major landmarks across the Emirates average between 43 to 45 degrees Celsius, while at the Jebel Jais summit temperatures reach a moderate 31 degrees Celsius during the daytime and 29 degrees Celsius during the late afternoon, while visitors and residents look to escape the heat with indoor activities across other areas of the UAE. Jebel Jais offers the opportunity for travelers and residents looking for outdoor adventures and diverse scenery at significantly cooler temperatures than at sea level, and incredible views of the stunning Ras Al Khaimah landscape. Jebel Jais, the highest peak in the United Arab Emirates, attracts thrill seekers and nature lovers in their droves. The mountain's peaks tower above date palm farms, wadis, ancient fishing villages, and the Arabian Gulf. Jebel Jais mountain peak is an area of outstanding natural beauty, a place to appreciate nature and take advantage of its unique landscape for nature-inspired adventure activities. Well-constructed roads allow you to reach the peaks via numerous meandering hairpins. There are regular pull-ins so that you can stop and admire the ever-changing views. Various designated mountain trails are suited to walkers of all experience levels. 6 trails have a cumulative distance of 16 kilometers, each with its own challenges through the diverse mountain ecosystem. The hiking trails are throughout the upper and lower segments of the mountains.
Madami kong ganito yung mga rider mga kabayan.